the rapidly changing world of work.
I think it's a really exciting time. Right now, we're going through a phase of change where artificial intelligence is becoming more readily available on the internet, and we have to embrace it and learn how to work with it. I'm finding it exciting. And
work health safety manager, senior manager, pretty seasoned, closer to retirement age. But at the same time, he's so excited by all of the potential opportunities in the design of work that he's a little disappointed he's not 20 years younger to see more of this implemented. And I love that enthusiasm. He's just thinking there's so much that can be done right now.
Big new products that's out. It's great fun to play with, and I can see immediately how valuable it is.
Artificial intelligence, let me guess, some measure of, oh, that's right. This is interesting because you get academics complaining. You have to watch students relying on too much artificial intelligence to write their reports, right?
Yeah, sorry, I was thinking of 3D printing. I could print a version of myself. I could take it to work so I don't have to work.
There you go.
What a solution.
WhyWork, the name of the podcast.
Sorry,
WhyWork.
I've read too much Asimov. I'm moving beyond. It's like too much of Westworld in my veins.
Stay tuned, Season 2, WhyWork Podcast.